Okay, so working on that edge, 45 degrees, my metal is flat when I'm on the anvil. I'm going to start working that in. As soon as my metal starts bowing, balling up, going out of proportion, I want to forge that back in. As I start losing colour in my steel, it's back into the forge. Remember, keep your anvil clean. I'm going to get that lip over. Now I'm going to do the spear point. I'm going to start just cleaning things up a bit. Really focusing on that tip. So my metal, did you hear the difference in sound? Still a reddish colour in there, but I don't feel comfortable hitting here. It's going to a dull black now, so back into the forge. Okay, so now using a combination of areas on the anvil to draw this out, create that distal taper. What you saw me do there was notice the gap at the back, and I'm going to be using the bar of steel so that when I hammer there, see what's happening? So what I'm doing in doing that is shaping both sides of my steel at the same time. Distal taper, still on the tip. I want to freeform my tip. I want to keep that nice and sharp. Okay, and now I'm just working it back. Every single hammer blow, I make sure to check the result of that blow. Cleaning up, using the same method as before. Small light hammer blows. Okay, so now to get from there to flat, just a matter of driving that over, making sure that everything is cool. And then re-emphasizing that little sharp tip. I'm just making sure that my taper isn't good, Nick.